Okay. So can you? I hope you can see now. Now the screen is okay. Everywhere in the screen you can see, right? Hmm. Okay. As I said, I am going to use the architectural unit. Architectural unit for that. DD unit. UNITS units. And enter. And here I changed this. Initially it was in decimal. I changed it to architectural, and then the precision is 0 feet 0 inches. Okay. Okay. So next is I want to draw this. Uh, so this is actually what I am going to draw is the first symbol: single leaf, single swing door. So normally this thickness of the wood. So this is the cross section. Okay. So when this door is being cut, okay, it is cut horizontally. Then you see a
Hello,
portion of the door. Yeah.
sir. My DD units does not show that architectural portion.
What
It
do we
only
have?
shows length and angle and scale.
No, it should be there. Is it AutoCAD?
Yeah, yes, sir. It's the
It should
same
be
as
there.
that
Yeah,
obvious one.
please share the screen. Let us first attempt this problem. Okay. Everyone, please. I will attempt this one. Who is this? Remote. Oh, share the screen.
Uh,
Can you share the screen? No? Ah.
uh, I don't know, sir, but I can't see anything.
No, no. You have. Do you know where how you can share the screen? Go to the
No, sir.
share button at the bottom.
Okay.
Go to the share button at the bottom. Then you have it shared. Click there.
Yeah, I see share screen.
And then go to second one at the top. Yes. Now I can see. Okay, so now you open up your AutoCAD.
Sir, should I open up this camera?
Oh, you're okay. Anyway, yeah. Show me. Yes.
Sir, can you see now?
So go. Yeah, that is there. Go to decimal. Click there in the decimal part. First one. Type.
Oh,
Oh.
oh,
Then go to
oh.
precision. Precision, you will stick to 0 feet 2 inches. Yeah, first one. 0
First,
feet 0 inches.
okay.
Yeah. And angle, don't change the angle type. Leave it like that. Okay? Okay. So I close this thing. Now you can stop sharing.
Okay, sir.
Can you stop the sharing? Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to share again. Okay. So once I change it to 0 feet 0 inches, now this thing will be everything will be in architectural unit or in feet and inches. So why I am using this because for me it is sometimes useful if I use feet and inches to visualize things. So okay, so the first thing is single swing door. So the size of this wood is normally this is how much? 3 inches. Okay, so I have to offset this 3 inches. So for that I type O for offset. Okay, and then it says specify offset distance. So I simply type 3. That means how much offset? Before, if I type 3, it would be 3 millimeter. Now, if I type 3, this will be 3 inches. Enter. Pick this and then up. Okay? So that means from here to here, this is 3 inches. How can I know? Type DI, distance. You type the command DI, distance. Enter. This is my first point. This is my second point. Okay, so and then how much I can see? Delta Y is 0 feet 0 inches. Can you see it on the screen? I am highlighting below. Yes or no? Can you see it here on my screen? Delta Y 0 feet 3 inches. Can you see this? Yeah. Why don't you say anything?
Yes, we can see.
Yeah, so here it is written 0 feet 3 inches. Why this is 3 inches? Because I have offsetted. I have made an offset of this first line 3. That means 3 inches. Okay. Now, I can use one symbol to represent that this is a cut line. I trim the other part. Okay. So this is normally the kind of wood with the section view. So this thickness is 3 inches. Just look at the door you have in your houses. Okay? So the next thing is this. Remember, this is a symbol. So this distance can be normally anything from here to here. Now I need to hatch this. Okay? So I need to hatch according to the wood pattern, type H. Then pick point. I select inside here. Then enter. Then I go to pick up from the list. And then do I have something for wood? Wood. Or if I do not find it here, I can use this ISO symbol or ANSI symbol, this one, ANSI 132. Click OK. Look at the preview. This is too thick. I change the scale to 3 and I change the preview. Okay. This is one part of the door. Okay, especially the wood. So the next thing is I have to keep a distance of around, normally, how much is the gap of this door in your houses? How much is the gap? Think it in terms of feet and inches. Yeah. Are you there?
What?
So what is the width of your door? That means what is the opening area of the door? Normally, the smallest door maybe it is of 3 feet.
3 feet.
So let us assume that this is a bathroom door. So that means the gap from here, okay, up to here should be 3 feet. So I offset this line 3 feet. Offset. Now, if I type 3, it will mean 3 inches. So 3, and then I have to use this symbol of feet. Can you see it? If I don't use the symbol, it will mean 3 inches. I have to use the symbol 3 feet. Enter. Yeah. So this much is 3 feet from here up to here. Do you see it? My software is giving a problem. Wait a minute. Okay. So I don't have to redraw everything. I can simply use the mirror command, mirror of this part, and I pick up this midpoint, and then just draw the other part. Then I erase it. Okay, so this one I forgot to draw. Okay, here. So this means these two wooden parts of the door. Then I have to now draw the door again. For that, let us start from here. Right? Just a moment. Let us start from here and then up to here. The thickness of the door is normally how much? How much is the thickness of this door? I mean the door panel.
3 feet.
Eh? Thickness of this door panel. This is not more than 1.5 inch.
1.5 something.
1.5 inch. Remember. So how much I have to offset? 1.5. Okay. And I use it this way. Okay. So see, this is my door panel. Now, this is the door panel. If I use the command BO, boundary, and just select inside, and this will be a rectangle. Okay, I want a rectangle. I erase this rectangle. Then these others are only the lines. So I want to use the rectangle. I throw these lines away, and then I use the oops command to bring back the rectangle. Then I remove this part. Now this is my door panel. Okay. Okay, so the door panel is normally, when it is closed, this part is flushed with the wood. Now our thing is that we have to rotate this door on a hinge point. Normally the hinge point is the middle part, and let us do it 45 degrees. Then when the door is swung, so this would be a circle of radius, having a radius of, or the diameter of, if it is a diameter, it would be of 6 feet or 3 feet. 6 feet. Is it? So this is showing the direction of the revolution of the door. Then what? We have to trim this according to this. Okay? So what is this? This is the symbol for a single leaf, single string door. Remember, this is single leaf. And then at the same time, this is a single string door. So normally, this thickness also should be hatched. So we should show a hatch pattern for this thickness of this door panel. Since this is also wood, let us leave it as the same symbol, but we need to change the angle like this. So this becomes our single leaf, single swing door. This is the symbol. So in the drawing, if you are using this symbol many times, what will you do? We will create a block of this. Right? So in order to create the block, we will type B and then enter. And then we select the objects like this. Enter. And then pick point. So normally the pick point should be this one. And then if you select this convert to block. Oh, we have to give a block name first. Let us give it a single single swing single leaf door, or you can just type D1 type and click OK. So this thing has become a block. It has become one entity. If you delete, everything will be gone. How will you bring it back? You have to type I insert block. And then if you are having a lot of blocks here, you can select from the drop down menu. If you have one block, it shows here. And then click OK. And then it comes back. Right? Suppose you want to modify the block. How will you do it? You have to first explode the block. Type E for that. And then you explode it. Oh, it should have shown it here. I don't know why it's not shown. E, explode. Explode. I don't know, it should have shown it here. Anyway. This is our block. So when you are drawing a plan view, you can insert this block. In the places you have to insert the door. Okay, similarly, you can draw the single leaf double swing door. Double swing means it can swing up to here, and then it can also go up to here. So normally in the departmental stores, when you see that one side of the door it is written push and other side is pull, that is a double swing door. Okay, and remember this is single leaf, only one leaf. Sometimes we may have double leaf, single swing. Normally in the old houses, we have this kind of door. Again, we can have double leaf, double swing door. Then we can have slide hung doors. You just refer to these symbols I have shared. Then we can have center hung doors. You can have folding double leaf. Okay, so many different kinds of doors are there. So we can have sliding doors. We can have rolling shutters. So I want you to practice these, and then at the same time, make it used in the plan view of these drawings they've given. Okay, so someone was asking me regarding the dimension. For example, if you have to dimension or if you have to give dimension to this block, how will you do it? We have to first type D. D for dimension. You can create a new dimension here, which one I will type as my drawing 01. So it is starting with my standard dimension and continuing. Okay, so everything we are not going to change unless let us try how this works out. So I make it as current start and close. If I am going to use a different layer for the dimensioning, I type LA and I make a new layer which I name it as DIM, dimension layer, with a different color. Maybe this is this color, whatever color you want to give. And then normally the line weight should be thinner. Okay. Then change it. I right click here, just a moment. I will bring this layer tool. Okay, so by default this is 0. I change it to dim layer, dimension layer. So if I want to give a dimension of this door, first I'm going to give a linear dimension starting from this point to show the opening of the door. So for that I can go to dimension linear, or I can type DLI. You note down these commands, DLI, dimension linear. My first point is this one, my second point is this one, and I place it here. But you see, this dimension is very small. So that means we have to modify. Again, go back to D. Pick up this drawing one dimension and then modify. So what things we are going to modify? Units. This should be architectural. Precision should be 0 feet 0 inch. Now anything here, we don't have to choose anything here. Then go to fit, use the overall scale of 1. So let us use it as 10. Let us see what things will change. Then in the text, I am using the standard text. So text height we can increase somehow. Text placement is centered, we can put it above. And text alignment may be like this, align with dimension line. Symbols, arrow size you can increase or you can decrease, but be careful, we have to see how it works out. Lines, baseline spacing, you can increase a little bit this one. And then extension beyond dimensioning lines, you can increase it, but no, it will look not good. Offset from dimension. Little bit we can increase it. No, it will not even look good. Okay. Okay. So now, can you see it on the screen? It shows how much is the opening?
3 inches.
Yeah, this is 3 feet. See? So this is one important dimension we have to show as part of drawing goes. What is the next important dimension? We have to show the thickness of these wooden blocks. This is 3 inches. Another important dimension is the thickness of this one. This is the panel. So if you use DLI and select from here and here, this will give a linear dimension, which is actually meaningless in this case. Remember, the thickness we used was 1.5 inches. So this linear dimension, if you use, it will not show that. So we have to use the align dimension. For that, go to dimension, align, or you can type the command DAL, dimension aligned. This is my first point, this is my second point. Now it shows 2 inches, but our one was 1.5 inches. So where is this going? We have to again go back to the precision of the dimension. Go to drawing, modify the precision, how much we are using. Where is the precision? Okay, primary unit, precision. Let us increase a little bit. Okay. So, can you see now? How much is the dimension? 1.5 inches.
Half inch.
This is the architectural style. So what is
What
the
does
TV?
that precisions mean, sir?
Huh?
Precisions.
Yeah, precision we have increased. Go to D dimension, then go to modify, then primary unit, unit format. Under that you have the precision. Okay. So before it was 0 feet 0 inches, so it cannot go beyond 0 inches or 1 inches or 2 inches. So that was the lowest count, was inches.
What is that, sir? Precisions.
Huh?
What is that? Precisions.
Oh, precision is so okay.
When we increase it, then
No, if you keep it 0 feet 0 inches and say okay, look at this figure, 1.5 inch. So it will be showing as 2 inches. Why? Because you are rounding off the decimal part. Understood?
okay, sir.
Now, in that case, because our door thickness was 1.5 inches, so here we modify it and then go down to pick up this precision, 0 feet and half inches.
Okay.
Okay, now you see, you can show, you can go up to 1.5 inches now. Okay, this is the dimension that we wanted to show. Again, sometimes if you want to show how much angle this door is showing, this actually we don't have to show, okay? Just I'm showing for your DAN, angular dimension. This is my first line, this is my second line, this is 45 degrees. This is not needed to show, okay? Move it. Oh, this is 45 degrees. So today you learn something. We can please try to draw these other symbols. Single leaf, double swing. Okay. So what is the advantage of using this dimension as a layer? So if you want to switch off this dimension layer, simply type LA. This one make current, and this one you can switch off. I'll show it here. Now you don't see the dimension. So you can create a drawing with a lot of layers. So whatever layer you want to show, you show that layer and then get it printed. Suppose you want to draw with only the plumbing for the plumber's work, then you just switch on the plumbing layer and then you make a drawing. If you want to use for the purpose of electrical fittings, just use or switch on the electrical layer option, remain others off, and print the drawing, and then you get one drawing for electrical fittings. Okay, so with this I would like to stop for the time being. By the next class, I hope every one of you at least do have a computer and then this software loaded. So I do not suggest where you can get this software, but you are intelligent enough to get a copy of the software somewhere. Okay.
What about, sir, attendance link, sir?
Didn't I give you? No.
No, sir, no.
Oh, wait. Just a moment. So this is my attendance link for today. There you go. Click there, and then give your attendance for today. Okay, so after this, we will go for the next symbols. Let us, we maybe another one more class with symbols, right? Let us see the syllabus. We have symbols for architectural drawing, and structural and electrical equipment, plumbing symbols, rebar drawings, and structural steel fabrication connections. So basically, just I can give you these other symbols to be drawn in the successive classes. Okay, and then you have to practice it in the class itself. Then in module 3, you have the masonry bonds. So different kinds of bonds are there. Basically, when you have two bricks, when you try to lay it side by side, depending on how you were drawing up the layers, it may be either English bond or it may be Flemish bond, or there may be other lot of bonds, but we are mostly concentrating these two types of bonds. Okay, and then how these bonds will look like. If you look at the top view, if you look at the side view, and sometimes when you have a sectional view, and especially at the corners. So that may be in the next class we will look into that. And then after that we will go into again the building drawing. Okay. Then please get a copy of AutoCAD. Okay. So see you then next week. Anything you want to ask me? No question?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good, okay.
Sir.
Okay.